Hi, welcome to my channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino, and this is one of my little mini haul videos where I show you the things I got from the Dollar Tree. I just took a trip there, and then I'm going to show you some of the things I made and some of the things I am going to make using all of these things I got from the Dollar Tree. I cleared off my table because I have so much to show you, like the signs and these felt die cuts I absolutely love. I love the idea of putting them down the center of a table. It just makes it look so pretty and festive. I also picked up some of the paper doilies. I love to put them around too. Also, the red pickup trucks. I just can't get enough of them. I'm glad they have one for Valentine's Day. I do have a makeover, and I do have more things. I finally found some red check ribbon. They never had it, but this time they had it, so I grabbed one. I can use that on different projects. I bought these foam hearts. They're very, very glittery, but I found a product you can use that seals it and the glitter doesn't come off. I got a different love sign. This is not like the one they had last year, but still very heavy and substantial, and they're really fun to decoupage. I always try to grab these galvanized words. It says love, hugs and kisses, and Valentine. We can always use them on all kinds of different projects. Now, here is something I never saw before. I think that it's new. It's these little heart grape wreaths. Oh, they're so cute. Let's keep going. They did have some of the same love signs that they had last year. It's different, but both very, very nice. And I have a video for them. And this is what I made in the video using that love sign. It also included one of these doorknob hangers with the little jingly bells. But here is one. This is the one from the video. That is decoupage. And there I add the bells. Very, very cute. I love the napkin I used on that. And then on this one, I used a napkin with the bird on it. So, so cute. Again, both decoupaged. And on the love sign, I added a little bird. I got the bird at the Dollar Tree, and I added some of that rainbow moss. Let's keep going. Wow, was I excited when I saw these in the Dollar Tree. $1 for these beautiful wooden hearts that are perfect for decoupaging, perfect for the iron-on technique, would look great in the house all year round. Those are going to be a lot of fun. I also picked up some of these, a little bit bigger than last year's, but I do have a video I just put out. I'm going to show you what I did with them. This is a little sneak peek. That's a small one. It's just a little tray, and they have these incredibly gorgeous glassware, little jars, and this jar has a stopper on the top. It's so cute. My sister had to go and get them too. I also made a bigger one. This is the one I actually do in the video. I use other things I got from the Dollar Tree, and by the way, when I'm doing things that are flat, the method that I use is the iron-on method, and you're going to see in the video exactly how I put it together, and it's so easy. You're going to love making them. If you ever heard the word decoupage and didn't know what it meant, well, it merely means adhering fancy papers to objects. My fancy papers are paper napkins. The decoupage glue I use is Mod Podge, and the objects can be many, many different things, like these glass plates. I get them from the Dollar Tree. They're clear, and I do what's called a reverse decoupage on the back. How pretty that is. That's the small cookie plate size. They also have a larger size. The method is the same. We put the image on the back. I like to call that the cake plate size. I like to also grab some of their, these are their cutting boards. They come in square and round, and again, we decoupage them on the back. Make sure you save your cans. They are so much fun to decoupage. Then you could put little plants in them and pencil cups. I go to the beach, so I like to grab some shells like this one and put a really pretty napkin on it. Now, if you see any of these things and you like them, go to my YouTube channel. I've got videos for all of them. While I was at the Dollar Tree, I did pick up some other things that are not necessarily holiday, like these frames. They're clear glass, and they have a cute little stand on the back. I think because they're glass, we could do a reverse decoupage on them. This is something I've never seen before. These are wooden dominoes. They're flat, but they are made of wood, and I think we can decoupage them. And the top part, I think that can come off. I always like to grab a couple of these. These are tumbling towers. They're actually little blocks of wood, and we use them on all kinds of crafting projects. I think that's a bigger size. I was looking for these around Christmas, and they didn't have them, but I did find them by the crafting things. I was working on a vintage ornament, and I really wanted some of those. Got them now for next year. I saw these and I liked them, the two little boxes. I thought it would be good for organizing a desk. Looks like wicker, but I really didn't like the color. So I'm starting on it. It's not done yet. I gave it a couple coats of white chalk paint, and I am going to decoupage something on the front. I think it's going to be really cute when I'm done, and of course I will post a picture. I love these. I have these in my truck. It's not a strong smell, but it's a very clean smell. I always have one in there. They're so nice. These are universal pads. I'm not really sure if they're going to work, but I thought, for $1, I'm going to give it a try. I was really happy when I found this little manicure kit. This is another thing I'm going to keep in the truck. It has a little scissor. You never know when you're going to need something like that. That's going to go right into my glove compartment. Everybody told me to get this. It's something for makeup, but they say, no, get it. It's something for crafting. So please, somebody write in the comments, what is that for? I hope you enjoyed my little mini haul from the Dollar Tree, and I showed you lots of different things that you can use in crafting and in decoupage. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. I've got lots of videos coming up. Hit the little bell for notification. Please share, and thank you for watching.